Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Life. Guys, today in this video we are going to make some basic 3D model by using only extrude tools. So you can see here in your screen, these are the models that we are going to make. Here you don't need to think about the drawing knowledge or angle of projections because this is isometric drawing. So we are going to make these two models in this tutorial. So let's open a part first. So click on the part, go for OK. Here we will be choosing the unit millimeter gram second. I will select the font plane. It's a symmetrical object, so I will select here font planes. Okay, I'll change the background here, make it plain white, and select a line. So I'll start from the origin. I'll start it like this. So go like this. Make the sketch as it is, then give the dimension. So I'm going to make the sketch like as it is in there, which is quite like this. So it will be like this. Now I need to give the dimension. I'll just give the dimension. You can see here I'll convert this line into construction geometry. I'll be giving the dimension from here to this line is this overall dimension is 20. So give their dimension 20. I'll just edit the value. This dimension is given here 25. So give here their dimension is 25, and here this dimension is 7 mm. So here this dimension is 15. Here the height is overall height is 20. So overall height is 28. So I'll be giving the dimension from here to here. This point is 28. So I'll be giving this dimensions here 8 mm. 8. You can see from here to here, this is 12, and this dimension is 4 mm. This dimension is 4, and here this is 5. Here this dimension is 6. So you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined. I'll go for mirror command. Here you need to select the entities which you want to create the mirror. So I'll select this and this. So this object is symmetric about this line. Now go for OK. Now just exit from the sketcher and go for your extrude tools and extrude it up to 40. Just go with this OK. Here I have just used only extrude tool. So guys, hope you have understood. Now I'll be going for the next model. This sketch is not symmetric actually, so I will decide to make it from the right hand side. So just do one thing, make the sketch as it is. Take the line. So I have started it from right hand plane. So it's not a symmetric object. So now see here, I'll make a step kind of things how it is there in your sketch. These 3 steps are there, so I'll make those 3 steps. Now you can see I'll be giving the dimensions. Here you can see here the height is 48. So select the dimensions. This height is 48, and here this is 16, and this dimension is also 16, and this is 24. This overall is also 72, and here this is 24. Now you can see here your sketch is getting ready. Now I'll exit from the sketcher and I'll extrude the component up to 104. Just go for the OK. Now I will choose one face. So select that face and go for sketch, convert entities. So click on this, do convert entities, then select the lines, make a close rectangle. Just exit from the sketcher, then go for the extrude. Select the extrude features and extrude in reverse directions. Extrude length is 24 mm. Just go with this OK. Your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed both the tutorials. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.